If you're looking to automate status updates in teamwork.com, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in a way that saves you time and ensures your team stays on track. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to streamline your process and increase team efficiency without losing sight of what matters. Teamwork.com offers a great set of tools to manage your team and projects more efficiently, and automating status updates is one of those simple yet powerful features that can really make a difference. But before we dive in, if you're new to the platform or you haven't tried it yet, you can get started completely free from the link below, and I'll even share some exclusive bonuses to make your experience smoother. Let's start with how you can automate those status updates. The first thing you want to do is create a custom workflow. Teamwork lets you customize your project workflow so you can define the stages and tasks that are relevant to your team. These workflows can include automated status updates at different stages of a project or task, making sure your team gets the right updates at the right time, without you having to manually notify them. You can set this up by going to your project settings and navigating to the automation section. Once you're there, click to create a new automation rule. You'll get a range of triggers to choose from, like when a task moves to a specific status, when a new task is created, or even when a task is due. These triggers will initiate status updates to keep everyone in the loop. Let's say you want to send an automatic status update when a task moves to the in progress stage. You'd simply select the trigger for task status change and choose in progress. Then you'd set the action, which could be an automatic update to the project dashboard or a notification sent to your team. This helps your team stay informed about what's happening without you manually keeping everyone updated. The beauty of Teamwork.com's automation is that you can set it up to suit your specific needs. Whether you're dealing with individual task updates or project-wide notifications, you can define the frequency and who gets the updates. This ensures your team is never left wondering about the status of a task or project, and it reduces the chance of tasks slipping through the cracks. Another feature worth mentioning is the ability to customize your status update templates. Teamwork allows you to define what information should be included in each update, whether it's progress on a task, comments, or specific deadlines. This helps you ensure consistency and clarity across all your status updates, especially when they're automated. Once you have your workflow set up and automations in place, Teamwork makes it easy to track everything. You can monitor the performance of your automation rules from the dashboard, seeing how frequently your status updates are triggered, and making adjustments as needed. By automating your status updates, you're cutting down on the time you spend manually checking in with your team. Instead, your team will get the right information delivered automatically, allowing you to focus on more important tasks and decisions that require your attention. Remember, if you want to take full advantage of Teamwork.com, you can start with a free trial using the link below. And don't forget, I've got exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. Now, if you're already using Teamwork or just starting out, automating status updates will save you a lot of time and energy. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at how much smoother your workflow becomes.